So today I am going to be shooting with Guy, and I thought it might be interesting for you guys to see how I become Guy. So here's how I do it with like nothing really. I have loads and loads of makeup. You see, it's all lovely and neatly stored away, but I truly only use, you know, a couple of things to make myself into Guy. I do, however, have to grab a little bit of powder first because Guy, you know, of course, isn't wearing foundation and everything, but, you know, he does need a little bit of brightening help here. So there we go. That's a bit better. And it tends to help the mascara stick to my face if there's some powder on it. I'm not even remotely a makeup artist. I just am having fun, you know, when I create my characters. So, tie my hair. Very first thing that I like to do with Guy is, of course, his gorgeous beard here. And truly, I just use some cheapy eyeshadow from, I think this is, you know, from a dollar store somewhere. Let's grab a cotton pad and just go to town. So this is really just to kind of give that, you know, the under shadow, the 5 o'clock shadow-ish. And then I'm going to go in later and do some details. But yeah, that's it. You know, it's kind of like when you were a kid, or maybe you didn't do this as a kid, but I did. And get into, you know, other people's makeup and make yourself into whatever kind of characters. And I clearly still do that, but now I do it with my own makeup. So, okay, I think that's nice and patchy and 5 o'clock shadowy. And now we're gonna go in and do the brows a little bit with this as well. Just to, again, darken up those areas. Get that hint of the monobrow, which will soon be a massive monobrow. But it's Guy, right? So we do good by Guy. Okay, next. I hold on to my old mascaras or mascara that I, you know, believed the hype and I bought it and then it turned out to be garbage. And yeah, I don't throw them out. I hold on to them specifically for Guy's beard and eyebrows. So let's start and start with this one here because that one has a pretty nice brush on it for doing, you know, little hairs. Guy's beard is definitely not perfect, and that's how he likes it. So let's try this one. Okay, it's looking okay. It's looking okay. Guy is definitely entering the building now. Let's see about this one. Ooh, that's a nice floofy brush, eh? All right, let's go in for the brows. This will be a little bit bigger, eh? Yeah. A little bit too much of an arch on this side. Can you see that? That looks very nice right there. That's pretty nice and wispy. Okay, so I've done a little bit more fine-tuning with the mascara ones, and Guy's looking pretty good now. And I've cleared off just with the, you know, little cotton pad, cleared off all the bits I got kind of up my nose and on my lips. And now I'm just going to go in with a little bit lighter brown and kind of blend those super black areas in just a little bit more. So I have Guy's groovy Refashionista coveralls, his awesome work gloves, fantastic hat, and the green screen. So I guess
It's time to get the show on the road. What are we waiting for? Let's get to work.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.